Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in Medibang with a target layer ready. Pick it now. First, confirm canvas size so proportions remain predictable. Then, select the exact layer, unlock transparency if you'll scale painted strokes. Choose the Transform tool, Ctrl+T, or the Select marquee when working on a portion. This matters because Transform keeps vector and bitmap behavior different. Once selected, you can see handles and the current dimensions, which makes the next step precise and avoids accidental distortion. Now, resize with intent. Drag corner handles and hold Shift to preserve aspect ratio. This prevents stretching. If you need exact sizing, enter % or px values in the toolbar. Typing 50% halves the size, typing 200% doubles it. Use Image Transform for full canvas changes or Edit Free Transform for selections. That choice affects interpolation and edge quality. Make sure to preview at 100% zoom after resizing so you can judge sharpness and whether to redo with a different resample method. Finish by applying the transform and inspecting how lines and shading look together. Scaling can thin lines or affect layer blending, so adjust opacity or line weight if needed. Export using File Export and pick PNG or JPEG, confirming resolution and final pixel dimensions. If you see quality loss, undo and try a different resampling method. Choose bicubic for smoother results, or if it's a vector layer, preserve vector properties instead of rasterizing. One troubleshooting tip: blurry output usually means you resized up. Work from higher resolution originals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.